Ifwe twasungula ikuchipona chenu imwe twatera yawe maliwanisha yawe yawe maliwanisha twatera Yahweh, come on, church, help me sing. Yahweh, is our prayer, dear God. Who has exalted you and you remain seated on your throne? Who has exalted you, dear God, and battles are working against us? Ninani wanisumbula lesa wanisumbula kuna mwigarafi. Ninani leso wanibiro rwimbo mwakano kusela. Ninani lesa wanibiro rwimbo mwakano kumupokolo. Eminwe shaima kabitwa shinya kuchipuna chini nishina ila Yesu Kristo. Amen. Reverend Tundu and the leadership of Trinity, pay attention to my last words, and as I exit out of the presbytery any day from today, if it was possible to forget everything that we shared together, this you should treasure forever. My wish for each one of you is that your hands should be lifted and be lifted to no one but God. My wish to Trinity is that when the hands of the minister are getting down, may the church walk to him, one on the other side and the other one on the other side, to raise the hand back to the Lord. Because your victory, your breakthrough, your miracle is not in your lamentations. Your healing and your promotion is not in you complaining from the rising of the sun to the going down of the same. Your promotion, your increase, your fruitfulness is hidden in the hands that are lifted and lifted to the Lord. When kutande kulombo kutirefia shalo kalabeko inseko na fyonse fyotwalandile ukukusana no kuishuruka konse ngoka kwani shoka laleko bantu kuishuruka kwena twale ishuruka no kuisonsomba ni mwetwale isonsomba nande kusungu ni mwetwale isetinga kwena na uwa alisho na nina alishima nomba ndiye nomba vya kutila yuti ashala tituwa labako because vila lalikuwa icho nshirefu okulaba walukuta nichi wikalaba ukwenye mweshowe kuchipuna ichakwalesi panti nimwenga shalo la kumulu shila sosa mashiwe yote tutukwanishi iminwenga shalo shua kumulu lesa alafiro kwika la tondolo ale mamukulu wakwe ale manafyonse ifule ngoko balesa ukwisa mpempula bakwe sefya shala ukala bengo lefwaya